what's up, YouTube universe and Facebook universe, because this is going to be in a Facebook group, but this is going out to YouTube. I'm doing this video for free on YouTube, but what I want you to do is like and subscribe to this video so that I can invite you into the group. It's an exclusive group only for people that like and subscribe to this channel, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make money online starting like right now, like after this video. But you got to take action, you got to do the research. This is not get rich quick, overnight, nothing. I spent thousands of dollars on gurus and all that stuff and studying and learning, and I've made thousands of dollars too over the years. So I'm going to go through 7 things here that you can do to make money online and retire in 2020 or maybe sooner. Who knows? It's up to you. Disclaimer, legally I can't say I'm going to make you money, but it's what you put into it. So let's go. This video is not going to be short. It's not going to be super long, hopefully, but it's going to be informative. So if you're busy right now and you can't watch this, don't watch. If you're on your phone, you got other things to do, then you're not dedicated to listen to anything I have to say. And I talk pretty fast, so I can make 15 minutes, like an hour and 15 minutes, right? Yeah, something like that. All right, so let's go. First, POD. POD is print on demand. Okay, those are services online where you can, like I use Teachip, Gear Bubble, you can make up a slogan, like this, I guess, normally. You can put it on t-shirts, you can put it on mugs, all that kind of stuff. And then what you do is you advertise them, but you can advertise for free. So let's say you came up with something like, I don't know, firefighters are hot. Something like that, whatever. And you go onto Facebook and find a group where there's talking about firefighters, whatever. Post a link to a mug that you made or something. Now, let's say the group has 1 million followers, and let's say only 10 people bought that mug, and your margin was $10 profit. You just made $100 in like 20 minutes. Okay, this is just extreme examples, but it happens. Matter of fact, I will show you later. I made this mug. I made $300 in 3 days with 15 minutes of work. That's going to be another video for you guys to check out, which I will link below when I do it. All right, so next, DS. What's that? Drop shipping. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is you don't even have to own the product. You don't even have to advertise the product if you don't want to. I would recommend advertising it, but what you do is you create, let's say you create an advertisement, so, which we just did actually, me and my partner, we did that, and you put an ad on Facebook, advertising your product, it clicks to a store that you made, you can make the store for free, eventually you're going to pay a monthly thing if you keep the store up, there's free trials so you can test it out, and the customer orders the product from your store, you don't have any inventory, the information is now sent to the drop shipper, the person who made the product, who then sends it to your customer, and then you keep the difference. And the product we were selling cost us $3, and we were selling for 17. So you do the math, okay? Drop shipping. So now you got affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is what I've been doing for the last few years. So basically, you go out there and you find products that other people made, and it's going to be digital products. So let's say you want, I don't know, someone wants to lose weight. Right? You go out, you can find this thing where people lose weight, a digital product, like an ebook or whatever. You can go in a group on Facebook, share that. Hey, check this out, I found this at boom, boom, boom. And let's say the digital product is $15. And they pay like 80% commissions. So if you're making like $12, $13 off that, they're making $3. And you're like, how can they do that? Well, it's a digital product. It doesn't cost them anything once they make it. It's just free to send. So if they're making $3 on every one that you recommend, they're glad to send you the 80%. Okay, so YouTube. Oh, the good old YouTube, which has changed. I've been on YouTube for over 10 years, I think now, and I just to do nutty stuff and movie reviews. But now I'm going to start doing stuff that's going to help people, and totally for free. This is all for free. All these other gurus kind of rip you off, and they want more money. I'm not going to ask a dime from anybody, and I'm going to reveal everything that I've learned over these years. Now, here's the cool part. People are like, I don't really like being in front of the camera. I don't want to make a YouTube channel. I don't know what to do, blah, blah, blah. OPV. You can literally make money on YouTube with other people's videos. Now, you can't just go in and steal their videos, but there is a thing on YouTube called Creative Commons, which you can go and filter, which I'll show later. I'm going to go through all this later with like video tutorials and everything. Right now, I just wanted to get this video out and just talk about the ways of making money. So you can literally take other people's videos and you can cut them up and send them out as your own. I've just seen somebody doing this, and they're getting like 1 million views each video. Now, if you don't know YouTube, if you're getting 1 million views a video, you're making money from YouTube because you get paid by the watches. Not how many people subscribe, believe it or not. like, I only have like 2,000 something subscribers, but I have some hits that have 1 million views on my videos. That's where I make the money, because every video has an ad in front of it. Whether you watch it for a second or not, YouTube will send you money. So think about it. Even if it's a dime, you get 1 million dimes, that's some money. All right, let's go on. Facebook ads, which kind of touched on too. You can do Facebook ads for anything. So a product, Facebook ads to a group that might have your product in it, which then sells more products, whatever. And then we have Facebook groups, which ties in with the Facebook ads. Facebook groups now is taking over Facebook pages. Pages no longer are that good in the algorithm. So I have many pages on Facebook. I now have a few groups. Now, this is one of the groups. If you're in the group watching this, if you're on YouTube, you want to be in this group because I'm going to be adding such valuable content. So subscribe, like, boom. Algorithms are insane. Facebook knows everything. Like, it's Big Brother, man. Like, when I sold that mug, it knew who to go to. Even though I narrowed it down, you go to Ads Manager, you put in who I want those people to see that mug, which I said in another video. I'll show you what the mug was, actually. Pretty cool. It knows. And then you can retarget lookalike audiences. Facebook knows what people bought it, and it will send it to other people just like that. This is huge. I've been working with people and learning from people online that literally are making $100,000 a month. And no, I didn't stutter. That's not a year, a month. You gotta do the work, do the research, but guess what? I've done it all for you. So, let's move on. Websites. Okay, you can create a website, which you can do all this other stuff on the website. So on the website, you can link to a group. You can get affiliate marketing. You can put ads on the website. Like, I have a website. Check it out. I'll tell you the website. I have a website called electricbeardtrimmers.com. Go check it out. I haven't done anything with it in probably a year. It was just something, a little niche that I wanted to do. And I got, like, every day I get people liking the page. I don't have a group for that. I might even turn it into a group just to see what happens. I'm trying to sell the website to somebody else on Flippa, which is where you make a website, or you sell websites to other people. I could probably sell it for like 10 grand. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But check that out, and you'll see, if you go through that website on electricbeardtrimmers.com, you'll see like a lot of ads on the side, and things might pop up for you that shows an ad that maybe something you looked up on your computer, as opposed to the other person watching this video. An ad that popped up on their computer is going to be different. It goes to your interest. It's crazy. And someone clicks on the ad, AdSense, which is a Google thing, sends me money for the person clicking on it. Now, if anyone buys a product that is linked from Amazon that I have on that page, I get paid from Amazon. It's crazy. All right, so that's everything. Oh, and by the way, you are not a rat. Why you are not a rat? Because I think Lily Tomlin said it best. If you want to get out of the rat race, the first thing you got to realize, you are not a rat. So, you're not a rat. But you could be the big cheese. So if you like this, you're interested in this, let me know what you would like me to talk about in the next video in this group. And by the way, YouTube world, it won't be on YouTube. It's going to be just in the group after this video. So there you go. Let me know what you'd like to talk about, what you'd like me to break down. I can go down in detail, show you exactly what to do, how you can make the money, and I'll show that all to you. I didn't do any of that in this video because I know a lot of these guys show you their mansions, their cars, and the screenshots of the money. It's pointless. I just wanted to get to the point as fast as I can, so hopefully I did, and you appreciate it. But I can show you anything on here, or any other questions you have, or things that you thought of. Let me know in this video. And if you're on YouTube, comment below, let me know, and then subscribe. You'll see it in the Facebook group. If you're in the group right now, thank you very much. Comment below, guys, and I will see you soon. I think us together, I have a goal 1 year from now. Anybody that follows any of these strategies and we all do this together, we can go to an island or go somewhere next year and let's celebrate how the internet is changing the world. It is. There's 13-year-old kids making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and a lot of people out there, like my age group, which is 40s, struggling, right? So, alright guys, thanks for taking time to watch this video. I know it's been a while. It took me a lot of time to get this video made. I've been so busy. But thank you. Alright, as always, those who don't know me, I am Cinema Dan. Trust the beard, Top Hat Dan. Trust the beard. Don't take my word for it. Take yours. Check this stuff out. Seriously, this is amazing. And I'm also going to do links to some other people that I trust a lot that does some really good, instructive videos about a lot of this. So I don't have to repeat myself. Alright, anyway, live, love, laugh. Let's do this.